Hi everyone, in this video we're going to show you how to install AltStore on your iPhone using a computer. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General to access more options. Next, look for and tap on Background App Refresh. This feature allows apps to stay updated even when they're not open. Then at the top, tap Background App Refresh again, and from the list, choose Wi-Fi and cellular data. This lets apps refresh using either type of internet connection. Now head back to the main settings menu and tap on battery. Make sure low power mode is turned off by toggling the switch. When enabled, this mode can stop apps from working correctly in the background. Once that's set up, open your web browser and type in iteinstall.com in the search bar, then visit the site. After it loads, scroll down until you see AltStore. Tap on it to start the installation. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this.